In this video we're just going to have a quick look at the push fit connector that comes with the X-Elliot. This is what it looks like. Tubing leading to the tip. This yellow cap is your dust protector, which you remove and keep and use after each treatment. Push it back in place. Using the connector, this is what it looks like. It has a tab on each end. This tab gets compressed to release, so we can refit the tubing. Once it's in, it's locked. To release, press the tab in and pull the tubing the other direction. Same process with the cap. And that's basically all there is to connecting the quick release valve. If you get dust trapped in it, you can remove the valve, give it a tap to dislodge the dust that may have compacted itself inside. Alternatively, if you need to give it a rinse, you can run it under hot water and let it dry and reuse it. That sometimes is a reason why you might get dust blockage, or if the tubing isn't pushed in full away, you can get dust building up on the inside, which causes a leakage that may result in dust or insecticide or liquids appearing on the inside of your lance. So remove it, tap it and refit, and after treatment put the cap back in.